You'll notice on this one, we're told to solve the equation. You'll notice that it's not factored yet. But if we can get it to where it's a product equal to 0, we know we can set each factor equal to 0. So what's our greatest common factor of 2z squared and 20z? Well, we've got a 2 in common because they're both even, and then we also have a z in common. So we're going to factor out 2z because that's our greatest common factor. Now, 2z squared divided by 2z leaves us with z. 20z divided by 2z is positive 10. The z's divide out. Now that we've factored, you'll notice we have a product equal to 0. If you have two things being multiplied and they equal 0, then either the first factor has to equal 0, or the second factor has to equal 0. Once you've set each factor equal to 0, then we're ready to solve that. To get rid of the 2 that's being multiplied by the variable, we will divide by 2. 0 divided by 2 is still 0. So our first solution for our variable is 0. And then to get rid of this plus 10, we'll subtract 10 from each side. And we'll have z equal to negative 10. So either z equals 0 or z equals negative 10. Now if you check that, if you put 0 in here, 0 squared is still 0, times 2 is 0, 0 times 20 is 0, 0 plus 0 is in fact 0. If we check the negative 10 squared is negative 10 times negative 10, that's positive 100, times 2 is 200. And then right here we'll have 20 times negative 10, that's negative 200. 200 plus negative 200 is in fact 0, so it does check.